What is up, you guys? Mighty Mike here, and this is another Mighty Marketing Minute. I'm really excited to be able to talk about something pretty cool today. So I'm always checking out different softwares every single weekday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today, I'm excited to tell you about a free one. Of course, Facebook is always bringing us the free good stuff, and I just want to tell you a little bit about how you can put this on your website. So it's called Customer Chat Plugin. Essentially, it's messenger.com. For those of you guys that don't know, those of you guys that love to use Messenger, actually Facebook paid a pretty hefty amount of money for the domain messenger.com. If you go to messenger.com, you can actually do all your messaging on your computer through Facebook Messenger. So a little tip there. But this actually teaches you how to set it up on your website. But I want to tell you guys really quickly. I'm gonna give you the link, and you guys can go through in here and look at this because it gives you. But just to let you know, it's actually really easy to just walk through on your own. And once you set it up, this is what it does. Let me show you. So you go to my website. This is a legal services company that I own. You come over here. It should be right on your website. So Process Server Daily is my company. This is my Facebook page, Process Server Daily. It pops up. The cool thing about this is that, see messenger.com. The cool thing about this is you can actually, someone can message you here. Let's just say something. Oh, because I already sent one. So let's say send another. So we're going to type our message. Let's say, where is my proof of service? All right. Okay. So then they hit send, and then it'll send it over to them. And if you listen, it'll go bing, or maybe it already did. But if you go look over here at my my Facebook page, you see here it did an automated reply to my Messenger account. So it didn't do an automated reply to on the website. It automatically sent them a message in their Messenger. So there's a couple of cool things about this. When you do this, they have engaged you on Messenger and therefore giving you permission to further communicate with them. So if you are using chatbots, we'll get into that in a different video. But if you are using chatbots, you know that actually is a wonderful thing because it allows people to communicate with you through your website. Through chat, and then you can send them future messages about different promotions and products you have because they've already messaged you. So versus having a different one. So like on Mighty Mike Marketing page, I actually have a special automated guy that pops up here, Mighty Mark. He pops up and he gives you some options to choose and kind of to funnel them through. And it's through Pipedrive, which is my sales tool that I use. And it actually will walk someone through. I'm looking for tech support. I'm looking to browse around. So any of my automation website customers who come on, they can actually get tech support directly without having to talk to me. I'm just browsing around. I'm thinking about signing up. So if it's a sales call, then it will direct them to an appointment with me. It says that's great to hear. Well, I'm happy to help you. Could you please enter your email? I don't like that it does this. I was trying to avoid that actually. But what happens is if it's more likely that some people are going to put their email. It's more likely that most people aren't going to put their email. They're just not going to further go with him. But the thing is the value of if somebody does put, it way outweighs the people who are just going to avoid continuing the chat. So someone puts, could I have your name? Because we're beginning a conversation. So I'm going to just put my first name. And could I have your phone number? So it's asking for all my details. So just to get back to Facebook here, I want to show you guys how you can actually set this up. So if you go over here, let's see, if you go over here to your setup page, and then you go down to where was it? I just set it up earlier. Go to settings, messaging. Click on messaging, general. Okay. you can actually take this thing and set it up during Messenger conversation, set up automated responses. So this is one of the things I wanted to show you. You can come over here and set up automated responses. So if somebody ever messages you on your page, one of the things that frustrates the heck out of me is when I go, I'm getting messages from people on my personal messenger, but on my business messenger, I don't know when they're if they're ever sometimes I'll catch a message a week later on the business pages, because honestly, I feel like pages, it's called Facebook pages, it's not as optimized, not even close to as optimized as the messenger features for personal. So it's definitely something I like to put an automated messenger, letting them know they can reach out to me personally or by phone, right? Choose where Mighty Mike Marketing can be away and send them away messages. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Set timing. So you can send it to them only during certain times, schedule times for page to be away each week. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can schedule when you're away. That's interesting. So we're just going to be away on, I guess, the weekend. I don't think I want to be away at all. We'll say Sunday, just for the sake of this. Okay. All right. Here's where we want it. Here's where we're getting the content, the details here. Thank you for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. Okay. Well, if that's what we're putting, we're going to put it on every day. Okay. Because I wanted to respond all the time. So we're going to take away Instagram because I'm not sure what that does to Instagram. Actually, I'm going to leave it on Instagram for Mighty Mike Marketing. Thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. No, we want to give them some more detail, right? So let's see what personalization options will give us. First name of the recipient. That's pretty cool. So if you're gonna do that, you got to click where you want it to go, right there, and then go first name of the recipient. So Michael, and then we want to throw in. We want to go right after Michael. We want to put a comma and a space. Thanks for your message. Right? You're just drafting a message that's going to automatically send to them when they send you a message. That way they don't feel like, wow, this guy just doesn't want to get back to me, I guess. Well, unprofessional he is, right? We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out, right? So you come over here. Let's see what other personalizations. That's kind of cool. Mighty Mike Marketing. See what other personalizations. Facebook page link. That's pretty cool. I like that. So let's go. Let's try this. Let's go. Michael, thanks for reaching out. Blah, blah, blah. Please feel free. Please contact me via one of the below methods. Right? And then I can put my see, for me, essentially, like, you may not want to do it like this, but for me, I don't want them to reach out to me again on this messenger. If they do, great. You guys can always message me on Messenger. I just may not get back right away. And so that's the struggle that I run into. So Facebook page link, let's see, website, phone number, and email address. Boom. I don't like the way that looks, though. Let's take out the phone number. Might look better on Messenger, and it will be linked to probably. Let's just put my email. Okay, there you go. Let's just put please contact me via email with any questions you have. There you go. Okay. Anyway, so that's how you do that. And you have to come up here and let's hit preview. I want to see what it looks like. Oh boy. So let's go over here to Messenger. So I just got a message from Mighty Mike Marketing. Okay, Michael, thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. Please contact me via email with any questions you have. Michael Reed. Okay. All right. That's good. That's good. I like it. There's some different ways to handle that too. I don't know. I might come back to that, but just for the sake of this, we're just going to save. And that's how you do it. You want to set up some kind of autoresponders. Changes to your away schedule will cause your page to be away after changes are saved. You can make your page available at any time in your box. Interesting. So I wonder if that will change engagement. I'm curious about that. Instant reply. Oh, shoot. That was the problem. That's the problem, you guys. Okay, so it's been a while since I've set this up. So what you actually want to do, this is like where you literally are away. I clicked on the wrong link. So if you want to be away, okay, then you want to do this one. If you don't want to do away, which I don't want to do away, I want to do instant reply. So that's where we're going to add our personalization right here. Thanks for your message. I don't like thanks. I like thank you. Thank you for your message. We want to put hi, add personalization, Michael. Please contact me via email with any questions you may have. All right, let's put, so here we're going to put Mighty Mike. Okay, and then we're going to put after that, we're going to put my email. Boom. And I put it like that. I thought it hyperlinked it, but apparently it doesn't. So if we preview this one in Messenger, oh yeah, it's the same. Okay, I got it. Yeah, so that's cool. So it looks pretty good. And then we just hit save. And then, so this is like a little chat bot. The reason why this is big, you guys, is because there are chat bots like Olark or Opesta, or, I mean, there's just a dozen of them. There's MiniChat. There's a bunch of them that charge, anywhere from $30 to $100 a month to do this exact same thing. They do have other features where they'll keep responding and give them options to respond. But the fact that Facebook does this for free is super awesome. And so I wanted to share that with you guys. You can set up the chat. And then, of course, I'm going to give you guys this link in the description for how to actually set this up and put it into your thread. The short version of the story is you're going to take the header code, this header code, and you're going to put your company's page information inside the code and paste it in to your website. And once you do that, it will it'll start behaving. This took me about probably 30 minutes to set up. Not that bad, especially if once you set it up, it's free, and then it does this. See, and you can actually customize the plugin quite a bit, which is pretty cool. So, and like I said, it's free. So I'm going to take this link and post it in the description for you. Let's go ahead and go back to Mighty Mike marketing page. I'm actually going to start in the middle of this. I haven't done this yet, but I'm actually going to start a Loom so you can see me, because I want to show you guys a couple things. Okay, Mighty Mike Marketing has a surprise for you guys. I went out and bought some cool stuff. This is the Mighty Mike prize bag. I'm going to start giving out prizes every single Friday at 2 p.m. We did last Friday. Some people won. You guys can go check out my TikTok where I'm wearing this wig on my TikTok. And I got some annoying fun stuff. And I have a story to tell you guys really quickly, and then we'll wrap it up. I was recently awarded the world's mightiest marketing medal by myself. I awarded myself this. So the world's mightiest marketer here. Anyway, I hope I can help you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything when it comes to this, adding this to your webpage, I know that it's something that could be of value to you. And if you have any questions about different chat things, let me know in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, definitely ask your questions below. If you're watching the live, hashtag live. And remember, every single comment gets counted towards Friday's prize in WTF Work That Funnel, where I literally sing the Work That Funnel theme song, right? Work that funnel, work that funnel. We have a lot of fun on Fridays, and so you got to come, you got to win the prizes, but I count the engagement for the whole week, okay? And usually the person that wins is the people who show up on Friday, because we're having a blast every single Friday and just living it up. So if this was helpful to you guys, please comment below value, okay? Hashtag value below, and we will catch you guys tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to check out MightyMikeMarketing.com.